Hi to all and welcome back to my channel. If you remember, this is my truck, Landcruiser 83. I bought it 1 year ago. After 1 year, the engine is still in a very good condition. I bought it a little expensive at that time just because of the engine, good condition of the engine. Of course, there are several issues, oil leak issues. I had produced or will produce some video that I tackled the oil leak from the ball joint of the front wheels, as well another video for the oil leaks from in here from the back wheels, another video to show you how I've tackled the rear axle housing that was cracked. The crack of the rear axle housing is the cause of the oil leaks, of course. So I tackled that as well. You will see the video for that. And there's another video related to the load sensing system failure, so I fixed that too. There are other videos related to the change of the timing belt and the water pump, the AC compressor, etc. and etc. I will provide my impression on this car, how I feel about this car after 1 year of possessions, and a lot of repairs as well. I will provide you exhausted video related to the cost of it, but for this time only I want to show you how I tackle the oil leak at the back of the transfer case. Okay, please know that all my videos I keep original sound, original discussions, original ambience for you guys, for your pleasure. Feel like you traveling abroad and you have some issue with your car, and how people deal with it. It's just for that purpose, okay? Not to show you how to do it. So enjoy and subscribe, please. Thank you. Temporarily fixed. Phần năng viên ấy là đòi thằng ngon ngồi về tình yêu nhung này. Đuổi chất bao sao? Kia nó còn ba anh thích chăng ấy. Đuổi chất lại mà nắp máu. Anh đi tập phần năng viên đâu bán lý mấy lấy cho mình chăng này. Mình đây xe rồi.
Ra bị một đầu bó bị tay thay là bị đầu bó hay tay thế làm tay đặt không ai vui thôi. Rồi ta phải đặt một rồi. Sao mà nó thốt bông mà đó nó dân đó đã pre nhục ca môn nó đã tăng bay lại chứ.